Right, I've just entered a short trade here at that red dot at 83.1 going short. I was in another short trade earlier at this point, but I did exit break even plus a bit, because price wasn't breaking through this level, and I was almost getting into going long, but I didn't, and I almost got in long here this morning when I saw this setting up, but I didn't. Yeah, because here this morning I nearly went long in there, but I didn't, because of course it's a bank holiday in the UK and I wasn't sure how price was going to move, because I wasn't even sure if price would get through the Asian high, which was here. But anyway, that's another story. I've gone in short now. Basically because what's price moved up on this swing? We've gone up like 52 pips. So I'm anticipating price pulling back here, because there was gaps left in the market as price went up. Because here, where I was looking to enter this long, price did come back and fill the gap. Here it went again, but it never came back to fill in here. Price went again, and again it didn't come back and fill. You see, this time price came back into here and filled and found some extra buying in this area and went again. But now you see we've had this candle made, 15-minute candle made the high, and from that point you see price closed below that candle and price closed below that candle. But that's what is, and price then has gone back in and tested between these two candles. That's what drew me in. And I must admit now we'll have to see if there's enough selling in this at this point, whether selling is getting exhausted or buying is getting exhausted, and we're hitting a pocket of selling. That's what I'm anticipating. See, I nearly went, I was busy with other things really when price was getting back in here. But you can see, price broke through this 15-minute low, but it wasn't going anywhere. And then price broke back through and was building in here. That, I could have gone, but I didn't. Like I said, I was doing other things. you see prices come down between these two moving averages, which is the 20 and the 10 on a 15-minute chart. What is it? 300 is the equivalent to 20 on the 15-minute chart, and the 150 is the equivalent to the 10 moving average on the 15-minute chart. And now we're getting rejection off of here. Yeah, I don't know now if this is because where have we come up to? We're up to 95, nearly up to the round number. So what I'll do, I'll let this trade keep running, and what I'll do, I'll let it keep running and just put it on fast forward when I do edit the video. So I'll keep it running, and we'll see where things go, and I'll come back when something interesting happens. mean, I don't know if these charts help anyone, but it's like, you know, there's a thought process behind it, and a lot of it is it's just experience and intuition, if anything, because I can't tell you beforehand what I'm looking for, but when it develops you can see it. I mean, here, look, you can see price turning over, you see it, and I got in a bit early, I guess, but you know, you've got to anticipate where price is going to turn. Like here, I anticipated price turning, but it didn't. And you know, I could more or less see it wasn't turning pretty early, so I got out. And here, I stuck with it because I was anticipating price, you know, continuing to fall. It's like here, when price started to turn bullish, you know, I had an area I was looking for price to pull back into, and I didn't want to see it really going any higher than that line. And we can see from a 1 minute perspective, you see it never even got out of that area. You see that forms an area selling. Price was balanced there, then you get that push out, price comes back into it, look, and get that rejection. That's what gave me the you know, I was willing to hold on to it. My, you know, my stop is at break even plus, so I'm pretty confident in the trade. You know, I'm not worried about losing on the trade. And if I'd seen it start breaking through here, then I'd have been thinking of, you know, getting out, which would have been disappointing, as I'd got down to 12.5 pips. But you know, these things happen, and I don't know. It's you see, on candles like this, you see these bullish candles, and that one was bullish before it turned bearish. You know, institutions, people in the know, they probably start selling into these bullish candles. So by the time now, as price is dropping back, they're already making profit. Anybody who was selling up here, which, you know, people in the know, that's what they're doing. They're selling into these bullish candles. That by here, anybody selling up here is taking profit. And like here, before price went up, this bullish candle or bearish candle, you see people in the know were buying into that bearish candle. And it's like there, anybody in the know who knew more or less that price was going to fall from here, that you know, people are taking profit. People who were buying here are now taking profit. Anybody who was buying in this run are now getting out of their buy trades and selling. And you know, the people who were selling here are selling back, or anybody who's selling here, the buys trades, you see, have got sell stops. So that is what was fueling this bit of bullish action here. I mean, I know what I'm talking about in my head. I know I'm not explaining it very well. I mean, I'm a bit phased out, to be honest with you. I've been running this trade for 2 hours and 20 minutes now. but we can see it, as soon as price gets through that, you see there was probably a bit of see the bullish liquidity, the sell stops that were here have now been hit, and that causes the price to reverse a bit. There was buying here, that transitions into selling from here. I know how far have I got before I hit my profit target. Oh Christ, how far have I got to go? Yeah, 60.06 before I'm buying back. I've got about a pip to go before, come on, I want to get to my target now. I think I deserved it. Why am I on that? It'd be nice to see price get down to my target now. What is that? I think my target, yeah, 60 is there. 60.6 up there. Yeah, up there. That's my target hit. So, I mean, it's like I said. I mean, I don't know if people get benefit from this or not. I mean, if anybody watching these videos and they're getting some benefit from it, if you could press the like button, I'd appreciate it, because at least it shows me that people appreciate the videos that I'm bothering to create. So and I'll know people want me to carry on making these videos, because if no one's interested, then I'll just make them for myself, because anybody that wants to learn to trade will do well to go through this process. You see, and just mark off price, as it's moving. Like, as price dropped through here, I had this level it marked up. See, as price dropped through here, I had this level marked up, expecting price to come back into it. It was the same up here. You've just got to I don't know, mark these levels up and just watch price. Just keep watching price. If you find this boring and you're not interested in watching price and actually seeing how it moves, and you find it really, really boring, then trading really isn't for you. Because, I mean, personally, I love it. I could watch charts all day long, and I know that's, some people will find that crazy, but that's me. And unless you've got an interest in doing this, then basically you're gonna struggle with your trading. Anyway, I'll leave this video here, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.